Hello, my name is Simon Dowes from Make It Easy For You. In today's video, I'm going to discuss Bluetooth in the control center. To open the control center, swipe up. You will see Bluetooth located in the blue button as here. Bluetooth allows you to connect devices such as headphones, speakers and transfer data. This is currently on, so to turn it off, tap on the blue button. You'll also see an on-screen pop-up saying that you'll be disconnecting from Bluetooth. This will automatically turn itself back on tomorrow. Tap on OK. To turn it on, tap on the Bluetooth icon located next to the Wi-Fi.